I'm Darryn Allcorn, Director for Workforce and Organisational Development at Northern Devon Healthcare Trust. We've got 4,500 employees providing acute and community services across quite a wide spread of Devon. A lot of our staff are based out in the community. How do we work, how do we engage those staff is a real challenge. We were relying very heavily on a face-to-face model, and what we were looking for is a solution that actually brought that much wider so that all staff had the chance to ask questions, to raise new ideas in a way that was accessible to everybody. When we talked to Questback around this is our vision. We want to really engage with the workforce. It was very easy to get that vision across to the team. This is far more than an engagement platform. This is more about embedding ways of communicating and working with staff. This isn't a leadership intervention. Actually, our staff have got the solutions. It's about making sure that they feel empowered to share their best practice and actually enact it elsewhere. Within there are a breadth of conversations, things like revalidation for nurses, through to social elements, so sales, swaps and wants, gone surfing, which is around health and well-being, those sorts of things. We've got an area which is around news feeds, so it takes RSS feeds from things like BBC, HSJ, as well as our Chief Exec's Bulletin. All the hot topics are in one particular area. And then we've got an innovation hub, so that's very much we're recognising the fact where staff have got their great ideas or potentially want to have a question around an area they're struggling, so they put that up into that particular area and then starts that dialogue. There is now a platform where staff now know to go, so actually we've got another approach to our way that we communicate, and in a two-way process with our staff. This feels like this is really only the start of the journey. It's coming all into one platform so we can really understand how our staff are working, feeling, and how we maybe then need to intervene. It's felt very much like a partnership over the last couple of years. The implementation of Staff Voice, which is the Questback platform, has enabled us to focus our deliverables in a more managed way. We can really start to understand, is that an issue for the whole organisation, or actually is this something that's specific to a particular staff group, a particular area? So actually it makes our ability to support and intervene and focus our efforts in a more managed way that gets better benefits. I'm quite passionate about staff engagement. If we can make sure that staff really have that voice, really understand what's challenging, our retention rates go up, our turnover goes down, sickness absence improves, staff feel happy and good in their work. There's no better reward than that, really.